In today's video, we will replace the battery for 2017 Kia Forte. To start the takeout process, we will need a socket wrench along with a 10mm socket. We'll use that tool to loose the first 10mm nut. We'll not be taking the nut completely out, just losing it to a point where we can take out the bracket or the battery terminal. On the other side, I will be using an extension along with the same tool in order to loose the nut. Once the nut is loose, just take out the terminal and keep it away from the battery. Both the terminals are taken out. Now, I recorded a footage in the very beginning of the process just to show you guys there is a screw in the middle that needs to be taken out, which is right there. To take it out, I'll be using a longer extension along with a 12mm socket. Just a heads up, that screw was a little tight, so I had to push a little hard in order to take it out. This is the only screw that we will be taking out completely. Notice now the battery is losing its grip and we can gently lift up the battery from its position. We are halfway done with the process, so I would request you to please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. The screw that we took out from the underneath side of the battery, I would recommend greasing it up a little bit before putting it back. We got the new battery and we will make sure to position it appropriately before punching in that 12mm screw and putting those two terminals. Once the battery is punched in, we will put back the clamp first. Followed by carefully putting the screw back on its place. Make sure you do not misplace or drop the screw, because if you end up dropping it, sometimes you're not able to get it back. Screw seems to be in the right place. Now we will just tighten the screw up. Notice battery is getting pushed in the more you're tightening the screw, which is a good sign. New battery has a protective cover on the positive side. Just take it out if you have it in your case. We will put back the bigger terminal first and just tighten it back with 10mm nut setter. Looks firm and tight. Now we will close the cover. Jumping on to the other terminal side. Remove the cover, put back the terminal and just tighten the nut. Make sure the terminal is completely in and then tightening the nut. This is good. This is good, and the battery is also firm. With that, we are done replacing the battery completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.